1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little fish began to dive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Splashing softly now and then. Where did all the fish go? Swimming where the waters flow. Did they swim near the shore?
Yay! Let's go!
Yes, and then they swam some more.